Hi friends, welcome back. Let's get started with the page 3 tutorial. Here's an envelope pocket to hold photo mats. So let's start making the envelope. For the envelope, take a cardstock in the size 7.5 by 10.5. On the 10.5 inch side, score at 2.5 and 7.5 inches. On the 7.5 inch side, score at half an inch on both the sides. Cut and stick the margins as shown. Take two cardstock pieces in the size 4.5 by 6.5 inches and stick photos on them. Place them inside the envelope.